Assalamualaikum everyone, how are you all? Hope everyone is fine. Dear children, today we are going to see a new concept, that is picture activity. Look at the picture, find the A words, write them. There is a picture, and in this picture there are many objects. Here we have to find out A words, A sound words, and we have to write in the blanks. There is a empty blanks. In these blanks we have to write A words. Okay? Observe the picture carefully, children. There is a garden. In the garden one bench is there, one man is sitting, and near the bench one mat is there, cat is on the mat, bat is there, hat is also there, van is near. Okay, like that. So see here. Now see here, it's a van. We'll write. Observe this picture, children. What is this? It's a van. V-A-N, van. V-A-N, van. Red color van. So we will write first van. V-A-N, van. V-A-N, van. Look at the next. Man. M-A-N, man. M-A-N, man. V-A-N, van. M-A-N, man. So the man is carrying jam. Can you see this? Jam. J-A-M, jam. The man is carrying jam. J-A-M, jam. V-A-N, van. M-A-N, man. J-A-M, jam. Look at the next. Blue mat. Mat. A sound word. M-A-T, mat. M-A-T, mat. Who's sitting on the mat? Cat. Cat. What's the spelling of cat? C-A-T, cat. A sound word. C-A-T, cat. C-A-T, cat. Near the cat, what we found? Near the cat, one bat is there. What's the spelling of bat? B-A-T, bat. Bat, it's a sound word. B-A-T, bat. B-A-T, bat. Near the bat, one hat is there, red hat. What is the spelling of hat? H-A-T, hat. H-A-T, hat. It's a sound words. Today we are finding, A sound word. One more blank is there. We have to find out the A sound word. Here the flower, near the tree. Yeah, near the house. See, in the house we can find one fan. P-A-N, fan. A sound word. P-A-N, fan. P-A-N, fan. Van, man, jam, mat, cat, bat, hat, pan. These all words related to A sound word. Hope children you understand. Thank you.